The electric revolution is here. What up, everybody? I'm Cullum Costello. Thank you very much for tuning into the channel. And today I'd like to talk to you about a company named Chargepoint. Chargepoint is world's largest electric vehicle charging station company. They have the biggest infrastructure right now, being the biggest in the United States and one of the largest in Europe right now also. So let's look a little bit more at Chargepoint and see if it's something you might want to put on your watch list. With that being said, I am not a financial advisor. These are strictly for fun and educational purposes only, and they are strictly my opinions. Chargepoint is the largest electric vehicle charging company, not only focused on the everyday drivers, but on businesses and fleets also. This business, along with the whole industry in itself, is growing year over year at a massive rate. Over the next 10 years, there are many automakers committing to an all-electric future. And Chargepoint will charge any one of these vehicle brands. It's convenient, connected, and smarter than ever, it says. Track all your charging in one place. Find places to charge away from home. Schedule charging when energy is cheapest. Get reminders to plug in and connect to your smart home. It doesn't matter which one of these EVs you own, as they can all be charged at a Chargepoint station with a Chargepoint membership. One account and you can charge everywhere. Chargepoint is an application. It's easy to charge wherever you go, it says. You download this onto your phone. It's the world's largest EV charging network. Their stations are where you are, and you can charge on other networks also. One account will cover 80% of level 2 alternating current and 99% of direct current fast charging spots. One app makes it easy. Find a place to charge, start a charge from your phone, and track it all in one place. If you live in an apartment or condo with shared parking, Chargepoint offers a Meet Chargepoint Home Flex charger. There are many rebates, tax credits, and other incentives that can save you money on home charging, especially when you get a smart charger like a Flex. Chargepoint makes it simple and effortless for property managers to offer EV charging. For business owners, Chargepoint also offers Chargepoint as a service. Chargepoint as a service is a solution for every business model. It works in 3 simple steps. First, you prepare the site with their information on what needs to be done to make the site ready for the installation, and then they set it up the way that you want your station to be set up. After that, they actively monitor and maintain it all with analytics. They send you these reports monthly, and it tracks any problems and helps you to fix them remotely. Electric vehicles drive a sustainable future. Transportation is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, GHG, from transportation is key to slowing down climate change and making sure our planet stays a healthy place to live. EV charging advances sustainability. Chargepoint operates the world's leading and most open EV charging network and builds all the technology that supports it. As our network grows, it becomes easier for more people to choose EVs. Electric vehicles drastically reduce the amount of fossil fuel emissions, especially when charged with a clean renewable energy source. So how can you invest in this company? Well, right now it is rumored to be said that they are merging with a Spac company, which is a special purpose acquisition company known as Switchback Energy Acquisition. So if we go on over to Yahoo Finance, we type in ticker symbol SBE, which is the special purpose acquisition company, Switchback Energy Acquisition Corporation. This is the company rumoring to be merging with Chargepoint. So if we look at this time on Tuesday after hours at 7:46, they are trading at $13.27 with a market cap of $517.9 million. I am not invested in this one at this time. It's still a little early. I'd like to hear a little bit more about, Chargepoint definitely merging with them. I do like to invest in Spac sometimes if I like the business model, which this one I do, because you get, a vote to merge, you get a pop there usually, and then a merger, usually you get a good jump there also. So it can be a time to take some profits off the table and let some ride. So that was ticker symbol SBE, Switchback Energy Acquisition Company. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're invested in Switchback to get into Chargepoint, or maybe you're sitting this one out, or maybe you've heard some news that I haven't heard about yet. I do like the business model in Chargepoint, and I plan on looking a little bit more into it. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite stock is, or just to say what's up, and I'll get back to you. I'm Cullum Costello. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. I do greatly appreciate it. Now hit that like button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.